Hi guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are unboxing this month's Glossy box. So I'm doing Birchbox and Glossybox separately this month. So if you don't know what Glossybox is, it's a monthly subscription box of obviously beauty items and it costs £13.25. You do get 5 beauty items in this box and sometimes they're full sizes, sometimes they're not. Mostly they are full sizes. Glossybox is really good at giving full sizes in their monthly subscription boxes, and I'm excited to see what this month has. I will have a link of Glossybox's website in the description box and all the information that you need to know about this box as well, that will also be there. So let's just jump right in and open this box up. So this month is just a standard pink box. Have a little booklet card which says all the information about each product, and then we have the box. So first I'm just going to read about this month's box. It says, "Hey Glossies, this month we want to inspire you to chase your dreams with an edit of 5 fabulous makeup, skincare and hair care products created by innovative and go-getting entrepreneurs. From a makeup company that was single-handedly founded by a woman with a vision to a natural beauty label that encourages people to take control of their skincare routine. We want the stories behind these brands to empower you. Dream big, Glossies. It's time to become the best version of you." That's cute. So we've got the Empowered edition. So just going to open it up and hopefully nothing will fall out. And this is what is inside this month's box. Have a little look at it. So I'm just going to put it on the side there. Now I'm going to pick up the first product. And this is the coconut body butter. And this is a 50ml little tub. This is a really, really good size. It's a travel size as well, so you can take it when you're going on holiday. I do love the smell of coconut. It's a really, really nice product. I do love the Body Shop because they are forever against animal testing. And I think that's amazing. Okay, so we got the Nourishing Body Butter by the Body Shop. These super rich and creamy body butters melt straight in, softening, nourishing and hydrating skin for up to 48 hours. Each one is enriched with some of natural's best moisturizers. You'll either receive a warm and buttery shea butter, fresh and exotic coconut, or deliciously sophisticated argan oil. So a deluxe mini of 50ml is worth £6 and a full size of 200ml is £15. So yeah, I love body butters. So onto the second product, we have Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. Oil free, non-sticky, lightweight. This is a 50ml little bottle. And it says here, keep your skin beautifully matte with Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. As a primer, the formula instantly leaves your skin non-shiny, instantly matte. As a setting spray, the formula keeps foundation, concealer and blush from smudging and fading, resulting in a matte finish. I've never tried anything by Essence before. It doesn't have a smell at all, so I'm just going to read the description card about it. Okay, so Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. Lightweight, oil-free and non-sticky. This setting spray is a makeup bag essential. Use it as a primer to create a non-sticky shine base or to leave your foundation in place. Spray it 15 centimeters from your face for a smooth, matte, confident, boosting finish. So this is a full size for £3. That's really, really cheap. I think Essence is quite cheap. I think it's a drugstore brand, so it is pretty cheap. The next product is last month's sneak peek, and it is by BYBI, and it's the Plumper Lip Balm. It's a plumping lip balm with peppermint and chili. Doesn't say anything else on the actual packaging. So I'm just going to get it out. And this is the little tube, and it is a 10ml tube. Apply pea-sized amount to the lips for instant hydration, soft shine and a perfectly plumped pout. So that's the colour there. It's like a yellowy colour, an off yellow. Wow. You can definitely smell the peppermint. It is very pepperminty. Yeah, that's quite... I might actually try that out. I've got lipstick on, I can't really try it, but that seems really, really good. It feels very moisturizing. Definitely going to be trying this one out. Let's read the description card about it. So, BYBI Plumping Lip Balm. Boosting a thick and creamy formula, this plumping lip balm restores and protects dry lips. leaving them soft, smooth and healthy. It also contains hints of peppermint and capsicum that plumps your pout and enhance its natural shape. This is a full size for £9. That is a lot of money for the size of this plumping lip balm. £9. So the next product is by LARITZY Cosmetics, and it's a dew pot. We have had a lot of LARITZY products in glossy boxes before, and this is a 3.5 gram little pot. I don't even know what it is though, but it's in the colour Utopia. So let's have a little look and see what it is. So this is what the little pot looks like, and I think it's a highlighter, a dew pot highlighter. So it's like a peachy pink colour with a shift of gold. I don't know if you can see that. I'll do a swatch now, but that's quite cool. That's a pretty colour. So you can see the pink, but you can see like the reflecting of the gold there. That's got a really, really nice shift to it. So I'm just going to read about this product. So it's a LARITZY Cosmetic Dew Pot in Utopia. This smooth and blendable highlighter provides a dewy radiance that lasts all day. It's formulated with ultra fine shimmer that accentuates your features and enhances all skin tones. Apply to your cheekbones, brow bones and cupid's bow for a rosy lit from within glow. So that's a full size for £15.30p. Wow, I do like that. That is such a pretty colour. Okay, so on to the last product, and this is by BELLAPIERRE Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream in Antique Pink. Now I think we had one of these types of products, but I think it was in the Glossybox calendar. We had a Kiss Proof one, but it was one that goes over lipsticks. So I think this goes with it. And it looks like a really nice pink colour, like a mauvey pink. And there's the lipstick. That is such a pretty colour. And that's the antique pink. Don't mind the other swatches. That is such a pretty colour. I'm definitely going to be using this one. I do like these sort of colours. So this is BELLAPIERRE Cosmetic Kiss Proof Lip Cream. It's obviously various colours. Looked like there was a darker colour. There's like a corally colour, a nude. But I'm glad I got that colour because I'll definitely be using that. Feel like a goddess with one of BELLAPIERRE's full coverage, high impact liquid lipsticks. Its creamy formula glides on effortlessly and dries instantly for a gorgeous matte finish. Best of all, the colour payoff lasts for hours without needing a touch up. So they're full sizes for £20. I do love that colour. That is just beautiful. So that was everything that was in this month's box. The lipstick I am definitely going to be using, and also the highlighter, I'm definitely going to be trying that out. The lip plumper, that feels really, really nice. It feels very oily and very moisturising and hydrating, which I can't wait. I really want to try out this setting spray because if it gives a matte finish, then yes. And then you can never have too many of the Body Shop body butters, so I'll be definitely keeping all of them. Now I didn't show you guys what April sneak peek is. I forgot to do that at the beginning. It is Get Excited Glossies. We're having double the fun this April with 2 special designs, fruity and floral glossy boxes bursting with fruit inspired formulas and blooming with flowery undertones. Both edits include a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask from Dr. Botanical. Which edit will you receive? So we get a product from Dr. Botanicals next month, which is exciting. So yeah, so that was all that was in this month's box. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is somewhere down here and also linked in my description box, so you guys go and check that out. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.